Grapes are one of the fruits that many people consume. Grapes are consumed by many people because of the benefits it offers, such as its high content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. This fruit is a source of antioxidants that are scientifically proven to reduce the risk of several dangerous diseases. The antioxidants in grapes help prevent cancerous growths in the lymph, liver, stomach, breast, colon, and skin. Also rich in potassium, consuming grapes can help reduce the effects of sodium in the blood that causes fluid retention and triggers high blood pressure. This fruit contains a lot of fiber to maintain the cardiovascular system, including the heart and blood vessels. The high fiber and water content helps a person who consumes grapes stay hydrated, so bowel movements remain regular and the risk of constipation is reduced. Despite its many health benefits, grapes are on the list of fruits with the highest levels of pesticide residues. In addition, consuming too many grapes is also feared to trigger some side effects for health. Here are some side effects of consuming too many grapes. 1. Stomach pain. Eating excessive grapes can trigger health problems. One of the health problems of eating too much grapes is sudden stomach pain. This condition occurs due to the high levels of fructose in the fruit, worth 12.3 grams per cup or about per 125 grams of grapes. Fructose is a natural sugar found in fruits and can cause gas if consumed in high amounts. Stomach upset can also occur to the tannins in the skin and seeds, because in high amounts, these natural polyphenol can trigger nausea and diarrhea. Not only that, some people who are highly sensitive to the compounds in this fruit may also experience bloating, constipation, or diarrhea after eating too much. 2. Blood sugar rises. The next side effect of grapes is that it has the potential to cause blood sugar levels to rise. The rise in blood sugar is because this fruit contains 23.4 grams of sugar per cup. However, this fruit also contains resveratrol, which according to research can increase insulin sensitivity. The increased sensitivity of the insulin hormone will have a beneficial effect on blood sugar levels. Research even suggests that controlling this hormone helps lower blood sugar. In addition, grapes also have a relatively low glycemic index. This means that they won't cause your blood sugar to spike too much, as long as you eat them in reasonable portions. 3. Stool discoloration. Eating too much grapes, especially green grapes, can affect the color of the stool or feces that come out of the human body. Stool that turns greenish after eating this fruit can be caused by a natural pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is responsible for the green color of plants, and it can sometimes pass through the digestive system without being fully broken down. Therefore, when consuming green grapes or other foods that contain chlorophyll, some of the substance may not be digested and give the stool a greenish color. Those are some of the effects regarding grape consumption and its dangers if consumed in excess. Not only grapes, other healthy fruits will also be harmful if you consume them excessively. See a doctor immediately for treatment if you experience some of the effects after consuming grapes. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.